What's something people don't know about procrastination? It's not just about poor time management. There's a hidden psychology at play. Procrastination isn't just a bad habit, it's a coping mechanism. Experts say we avoid tasks not because we don't care, but because we're dodging uncomfortable emotions, stress, fear of failure, or even perfectionism. Picture this: a student delaying an assignment, not out of laziness, but anxiety about not doing it perfectly. The trick? Start with just 2 minutes. Psychology calls this the 2-minute rule. Open your book, write the first sentence, or organize your notes. The first step is always the hardest, but once you begin, momentum kicks in. Remember, overcoming procrastination isn't about forcing yourself to work. It's about being kind to your mind. Acknowledge your feelings, break the task down, and just begin. You're not alone, and you can outsmart procrastination one small step at a time.